What is happening, guys? It is Friday, September 11th. This is what we got today. 1951 Plymouth. This son of a bitch is a beauty. It has had the interior redone though, years back. Interior is really nice on the car. It's got to be put together. There's some pieces laying around in here. Got some inner door pieces to put back on it. All sorts of good stuff. Let's do a little snoop. I don't even know what this car's got on it for miles. Well, it's showing 14,480. Doubt it's original. Highly doubt it. Got most of the chrome for the car. No bumpers. I didn't get bumpers. Got a flathead 6 in it. Inline. 6 volt. 6 volt positive ground system in this car. Radiator looks good. I get a headlight for it. I have those lenses. I think I have that piece of trim. I think I have both of those pieces of trim. This one I haven't found yet, but I haven't really snooped too hard. This tire's flat. They got tubes in them. Look at that. But it's cool wire wheels in the car. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with these things. But you spin these off, and then you can get to the lug nuts. Knowing some of these older cars, one of the prior Plymouths I had, they were left-hand and right-handed threads on the lug. So one side they'd be left-hand, one side they'd be right-hand thread. I discovered that the hard way. Locking gas cap, which we got to get that off of there. I don't have keys for this car. I bought this at auction. Full-size spare. It's even got the fender skirts with it. Look at that. Bunch of doohickeys in here. We got some lights. A couple voltage regulators in here. So I'm guessing they had some kind of an issue with it. This car hasn't been running 18 or 19 years. Their taillight lens there. I don't know what we got there. Heater hose. One of the bumper caps for it. Piece of trim there. When I get some more time, we'll do a good video on this car. I'll get it inside. We'll inventory all the pieces and parts for it. I think I got something here though. Overall, it's a pretty solid car except for back here. Somebody did some. They freaking bondoed the seam. So I'll have to get all that dug out, hit it with a blaster. A little dent here. But other than that, I mean, all in all, this car is pretty solid. She's a beaut. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm out. Y'all have a goody. Thanks for watching. Later.